You've built your video, now it's time to share it. In this final episode, we'll walk through exporting options, sharing links, and integrating Colossyan videos wherever you need them. Exporting a video in Colossyan is super easy, but before doing that, make sure to preview your entire video just in case you have missed something. Also, keep in mind that during preview, you won't be able to see the lip sync. Once everything is ready to go, click on Generate button. From there, you can select your resolution, select language variants if you have any, choose the location where do you want to export it, and hit Start Generation. When your video is generated, you can export it in different format, such as MP4 and SCORM. With SCORM, you can set your video's completion criteria and track learner engagement directly in your learning management system. If your video is interactive, you can only download it on SCORM package, share it via a link, or embed it directly on your website. Let's now take a look at the video itself. If you have used a share link or embedded your video, you will have access to analytics directly in Colossyan. This is especially helpful if your video is interactive. And if there is something wrong with your video, you can easily report it, and our team will take care of it. And that's a wrap on the Colossyan Video Learning Center. You now have all the tools to create, collaborate, and share amazing AI videos. Thanks for learning with Colossyan, and keep creating!